Elementary teachers, let's go food gardens with your class. Let's do it with ease during your class time and in an affordable way. Without organizing any volunteers, no need for an outdoor garden, no looking for thousands of dollars, no sacrificing your personal time in lunch clubs, after hours, weekends, or summer, no summer maintenance, and no need to know how to garden. Join the Oasis Teachers membership as a founding member. I'll give you monthly growing activity guide packages, all done for you with step-by-step instructions, and I'll be there to coach you and answer questions. You will have direct access to me as a founding member. It'll be you, your students, your class time, a sunny window, lots of fun, lots of learning, and a whole lot of food to take home or donate. I'll close the doors to the founding members on October 31st. And next time that I open the doors, the fee will be higher and the direct access to me will be gone for new members. Exciting October material is already uploaded in the portal, and November's will be uploaded on November 1st. Go to you know where and join. I can't wait to get to know you, and I can't wait to see you and your class grow month after month. Go join us.